How to create this design, let me show you. First, take Text tool and add your text. Then press Ctrl-Shift-O to convert text into shape. Go to Brushes tab and copy the process. Take a ellipse tool and create a shape. Again, go to Brushes tab and select the created brush. Go to Effects tab and select Transform and copy the process. Select text and go to Object Panel and hit Expand Appearance. Right-click and ungroup the text. Then select the text alternative and change the color. Select the text and group it. Then select Free Transform tool and transform it. If this video is helpful for you, like this video and subscribe to my channel.